Moroto District has increasing confirmed cases of COVID-19, with most affected persons are under 40 years of age. The District Health Officer, Dr. Hans Lokale, explains that the victims had not been vaccinated.
In the last 7 days, we've seen, if you look at the rankings, we are second to Kampala in terms of their attack rate, which is at 60.2 per 100,000 people.
The Director Moroto Referral Hospital, Dr. Benedict Watmoni, and Dr. Lokale say Moroto Referral Hospital oxygen plant cannot produce enough oxygen for the rising cases.
Despite, even if we have the power stable, the plant is not big enough to give us the amount of oxygen that is required, okay, for the increasing number of patients. So the need vis-a-vis what we can produce is a challenge.
The production is so low, we are unable to produce 6 cylinders in a day. And yet, we have a deficit. We need 12 to 15 in a day. So we have a deficit of about 9 cylinders daily.
So far, one COVID-19 patient needs over 10 liters of oxygen per minute.
Each patient requires about 3 cylinders per day, and those are 15 cylinders in a night in 24 hours. So meaning the demand for oxygen is very high.
Meanwhile, in a span of 1 week, 4 schools in Moroto District registered cases of COVID-19.
Students asking the teachers, the schools to adhere to the SOPs, strict adherence to the SOPs, because we've seen a high number of students testing positive.
The vaccination exercise in the district has attracted teachers, health workers, and the elderly.
In the last 7 days, we've seen our uptake of the vaccine increase. As of yesterday, we have zero balance of the 2,670 doses that we received. The health workers have finally taken up the vaccine.
In the meantime, the problem remains with patients supervised at home, with the incidence of mixing up with other people in communities.
High number of patients we are managing from home under the home-based care strategy, and it's working quite well despite the challenges.
You advise somebody, please stay at home, observe this guy. If you move around, you see this person in the market. You meet this person in the bank.
Most people in Moroto rarely put on masks, neither all practice social distancing during meetings.
Now, as a district, what we are doing is we are mobilizing our communities. We are doing community engagement strategies. As you are all aware, the COVID fight is no longer a fight involving only the DHO or the president. It is now each one's responsibility.
In the last 7 days, Moroto District has registered 54 cases. 54 people had COVID-19 symptoms. 23 are admitted, 5 dead. Maureen Iga, Helen Barbara, reporting for ABC TV News.